Very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. This is Gopinath Ganesan. In this video, we will discuss about how to prepare income and expenditure account with balance sheet. In Tamil Nadu State Board English Medium, exercise number 21, page number 77. From the following receipt and payment account for the Aircard Youth Association, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on that date. Receipt side to balance brought down, cash in hand, to government grant for purchase of books, to subscription, to admission fees, to prize fund receipt, to bank interest, to sale of newspaper. Payment side by salary, by office expenses, by books purchase, by stationery purchase, newspaper purchase, price awarded, balance carried down, cash in hand. In additional information here they are given opening capital fund. Already they are given the opening capital fund. That's why no need to be prepared. Opening balance sheet. Stock of book on 1st April 2018 treated as opening balance. Subscription due but not received. Outstanding subscription. Stationery opening stock and closing stock. Here they are given opening stock and closing stock. How will we solve this problem? Listen here. First we need to be prepare income and expenditure account to find out surplus or deficit. Then we will prepare closing balance sheet. Here receipt side opening balance cash in hand. Opening balance cash in hand. Don't consider because already here they are given capital fund. Ignore this information. Then government grant for purchase of books. Books is the special notes here they are given to be mentioned in the balance sheet. Balance sheet liability side. Here whatever relating to the opening balance sheet would be highlighted red. We'll fully ignore it. Whatever relating to the income and expenditure account will be highlighted in yellow. So what are the accounts related to the closing balance sheet? We will highlight it in green color. Subscription already here they are given. Here look at the adjustment. The first adjustment they are given opening capital. We will consider to prepare closing balance sheet. Stock of books here they are given. Stock of books here books purchased here they are given. That's why we highlighted in blue color. Blue color means we have adjustment. Blue color means we have adjustment to be considered for both income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Then second one, subscription due but not received. Subscription due but not received. They are given the adjustment. That's why highlighted in blue. Then stationery opening stock and closing stock here they are given. Stationery purchase, that's why highlighted in blue. Step number 1, first will be go through the all the adjustment. Whatever adjustment here is there highlighted in blue. Next here closing balance sheet red color. Then sorry, opening balance sheet red color, closing balance sheet green color. Admission fees will be mentioned the income side, income and expenditure account yellow. Price fund receipt normal, receipt will be highlighted in yellow. Bank interest, sale of newspaper, the normal course of income. All the income we need to be mentioned in the income and expenditure account. That's why highlighted in yellow. Salary, office expenses, normal expenses yellow. Newspaper purchase price awarded. The normal course of expenses, all the expenses will be mentioned where income and expenditure account expenditure side. Closing balance sheet as in hand should be mentioned in the asset side. Here just go through all the sum, all the account it's related to the any adjustment is that highlighted in blue. Then it's relating to the closing balance sheet, red color. Then anything relating to the closing balance sheet, green. Anything relating to the income and expenditure account, yellow. So next step will be prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. How do we prepare income and expenditure account? Here, from here, red color, right? It's already considered. Ignore it, the red color. Then whatever highlighted in green, don't consider the green because it will be considered to prepare balance sheet. Then remaining account, the remaining whatever highlighted in the red color, whatever highlighted in the yellow, whatever highlighted in yellow, we consider here. Then here whatever considered, whatever highlighted in yellow will be considered. The next step, to become by become to will be post the opposite side, will be post opposite side. So debit become credit, credit become debit. That's why here posted here. Here the for account, right? The for account I mentioned here. So buy newspaper converted to new to, here would be mentioned to newspaper. Price awarded, the special note will be mentioned here. Price received minus price awarded will be mentioned here later. Then next salary. By salary will be considered to salary. To salary. Office expenses. So by office expenses will be mentioned to office expenses. Okay. Next step here. Paste here. Then here price awarded later. Then admission fees. Admission fees. Price awarded will be considered later. Here. Then here admission fees mentioned here top. Then bank interest is normal income, mention the income side. Then books purchased, stationery purchased. So books purchased would be considered in asset side, so don't consider here. Stationery purchase, here stationery is a expenditure, would be mentioned here. Stationery purchase. Then here sale of newspaper, we mention sale of newspaper in income side. Here they are given two to write, the two become by. Here would be mentioned by. Here would be mentioned to. Here would be mentioned as by. Here sale of newspaper would be considered as by. Then here price fund receipt. Here price fund receipt by. Price fund receipt. What is the value of price fund receipt? Price fund receipt 6,000. So out of 6,000, what are the expenses? Price awarded. Price awarded means deduct the price fund. Less price awarded 5,000. What is the balance? Balance 1,000. Balance 1,000 will be mentioned in outer column. Now let me consider the adjustment. What is the adjustment? Here they are given subscription and stationery. Subscription is income. Subscription is income. So after that it will be mentioned here subscription by subscription. By subscription. What is the adjustment? They are given the subscription. Go through the additional information. Go through the additional information. What they are given here for the subscription. Subscription due but not received. It means outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription. Add outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription. What is the value? Here they are given 1,700. 1,700 will be add 1,700. What is the total? 24,800 plus 1,700. 26,500. 26,500. This adjustment is over. Then one more adjustment here is the blue color stationery purchase. Stationery purchase. Here stationery purchase is expenditure. That's why I mentioned here. Here stationery. Here stationery consumed. Stationery consumed. How to consider? How will it be find out the stationery consumed? Here formula purchase of stationery, purchase of stationery. Here they are given 1800. Then in the additional information they are given, opening stationery. Here they are given opening stationery and closing stationery. Add opening stationery, add opening stock, less closing stock, add opening stock less closing stock. What is the opening stock? 1200, 1800 plus 1200, answer 3000. Then less closing stock of stationery, less closing stock. Here they are given 2000, closing stock 2000, the balance 1000 is balance. Here except adjustment, so all the account to be considered here, income and expenditure account. What is the logic? Here 2 become by, become 2. It means the debit posted in credit side, the credit posted in debit side. Then here price fund already are given, price fund receipt 6000. From the 6000, the 5000 is price awarded, they are given the payment side. It means total receipt or price fund 6000, price awarded 5000, the balance 1000 is treated as income. Then here subscription, they are given adjustment. Subscription will receive 24,800. Then adjustment, they are given outstanding subscription. Subscription due but not received. Subscription due but not received means outstanding subscription 1700. That's why here added 26,500. Then in the adjustment here they are given stationery. Stationery consumed, how to be considered? Stationery purchase 1800. Then here add opening stock of stationery, 1200. Then closing stock of stationery 2000. Here purchase, add opening stock less closing stock, the remaining value is stationery consumed 1000. Next we need to be find out the total of income and the total of expenditure. The income over the expenditure is surplus. Here total of income 2000 plus 1500 plus 1100 plus 1000 plus 26,500, 32,100. Then total of expenditure 2100 plus 14,000 plus 7,200 plus 1000 plus 1000, 24,300. Here income is over, income is higher, that's why here will be mentioned to surplus. What is the formula for surplus? Total income minus total expenditure, 32,100 minus 24,300. The surplus value is 7,800. Now the total 32,100. The surplus will be transferred to closing balance sheet. That's why highlighted in green. Next will be prepare closing balance sheet. From the receipt and payment account and additional information. Here will be write balance sheet as on 31st March 2000. Here they are given 19. So 19. Then liabilities and asset. Here title will be mentioned asset. Then next. So take the receipt and payment account. Here they are given receipt and payment account. Here copy here. Then so what already we have considered income and expenditure account, right? Remove the all the yellow. Here related to the closing balance sheet, remove it. Then whatever highlighted in the yellow, it's already considered to prepare income and expenditure account. That's why remove it. Remove it, all the yellow color. Why? Because it's already considered. Then here balance brought down cash in hand means closing balance cash in hand. Here mentioned cash in hand. Right. Next here books purchase and stationery purchase, right? Here they are given, here government grant, here subscription. Right. So here take one by one. Here books purchase, books is a asset, that's why mentioned here. Here book, we mention as book. For the book, the book purchase already, the books have opening balance, the books already have opening balance. So that's why book here mention opening balance. Opening balance we will take from the adjustment. So what are the adjustment here they are given. Stock of book on 1/4/2018 9,200. Book opening balance 9,200. Add purchase. Add purchase. What is the current year purchase? Here value 15,000. 15,000. What is the total? Here opening balance 9,200 plus purchase value 15,000, total 24,200. 24,200. Then next adjustment, stationery purchase, here they are given the closing stock. Close here additional information. Stock of stationery 1/4/2018 related to the opening balance sheet. Here they are given stock stationery on 1/4/2019 means closing stock. Closing stock, what is the value here? They are given 2,000. Here they are given 2,000. We mention here. So stock stationery, here stationery. What is the stationery closing stock? They are given 2,000. We mention here. Opening stock mention opening balance sheet. Closing stock, what do we mention the closing balance sheet. What else? Here they are given subscription. Here they are given subscription. Let me look at the subscription in additional information. What they are given? Here they are given subscription due but not received. Subscription due but not received. It means outstanding subscription our asset. Outstanding subscription our asset. Let me mention here. Outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription 1,700. They are given the additional information. We have right to receive the outstanding subscription. That's why I mentioned the asset side. So what is the balance here? That's it. Next, let me consider the open capital fund. Capital fund opening balance sheet. They are given capital fund. They are given the additional information. They are given the additional information would be considered. What they are given? Opening capital fund 20,000. Opening capital fund they are given 20,000. Capital fund. Capital fund 20,000. Opening fund here they are given capital fund 20,000. Then add surplus. Add surplus. What is the value for surplus? 7,800. 7,800. Total 27,800. 27,800 should be mentioned here. Next step will be find out the total of asset and the total of liabilities. What is the total of asset and total of liabilities will be find out now. Here asset side 1,700 plus 24,200 plus 2,000 plus 9,900. Total of asset 37,800. 37,800. Then total of liabilities. Total of liabilities 27,800 plus 10,000 plus 10,000. 37,800. 37,800. The balance sheet total asset have total liabilities. So it may be the sum is correct. Okay, thank you.